Hey y'all, Saddleback leather unboxing here, a new Tumbled backpack. I did slice it open, then realized I had some camera problems, so I readjusted and starting over. Normal packaging from Saddleback, and the green baggie that everybody loves. I did put in the notes, pebbly the better. We'll see if they read notes, but look at this thing. Let's look. Ah, it's little. Interesting. Right out of the box. Smells good. It smells wonderful. Let's cinch that up a little bit. Definitely feels like Kodiak kind of sort of stuff. If y'all are familiar with Kodiak. I can't get it shut, it's so flimsy. Anyway, let's see. Look at that. Look at that. It'll be interesting to see how this handles scratches and stuff. That's still in the frame. No shoulder pads, which is fine. This is little enough. We don't need shoulder pads, right? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 5. Let's see what that does. 5 on this side. Am I still in the frame? I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Try it on. This is definitely a purse back. All right, can you see? How's it look? It's light. I like it when it can go down the back, so that's nice. I'm 5'7.5", it gives you an idea. All right, I realized in the first video I didn't give you guys any close-ups, and I thought I would do that quick. Look at that pebble, 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 pebble. Let's flip this bad boy over. I did shove a laptop in here. I had to shove it in there, it didn't go in nicely, but it like hangs out that much. I have about 1 inch over the top right here. Oh, and I dropped my laptop. So I don't see, there you can see more. I don't think this is something that I would necessarily use if I wanted to haul my laptop around. I mean, it would work, but it's not gonna be my first choice. Normal, suede on the inside. No key fob in this guy. No key fob, guys. You are on your own. Just this pocket for the laptop. Let me take this guy out. Normal. Cool. Did I mention this thing still smells good? I might have to sleep on it tonight. There's that lovely logo. All right, see y'all. Okay, I put some things in the backpack to weigh it down a little bit so you can see how it hangs. Okay, I'm 5'7.5". You see how it hangs on my frame? It's still very comfortable, normal Saddleback leather stuff. On the side, from this side. It's wonderful. Still smells good. Wonder how long that smell's gonna be. Well, Dave and Suzette outdid themselves on this thing. It's freaking nice. I'm gonna sleep with it later.